If you're new here, then you might not know, but I love stationery. So I went ahead and purchased an A5 planner from HomeGoods, and then I ran into a problem. It was a really big problem. I couldn't find inserts, tabs, dividers that I liked, because I found a few. No, they were not for me. The obvious solution is create my own. Quite a few. And so yeah, I hope you're doing well and enjoy the making and problem solving of what it takes to be a new A5 planner owner person, type of person. Yeah. Okay. I ended up getting this planner over in HomeGoods, and I'm really loving it. Gift card. I'm gonna just like the way it looks. It matches the rings. It's funny because for a while I wasn't really the biggest fan of the gold, but somehow now I am. I have notes, a little bookmark, some business cards. The paper, actually, what I am wondering though is when and where am I going to find this type of paper? I've been looking for it online. Again, this is like, well, this is the second A5 binder that I have, or small binder. I think the other one was a little off. Not the same exact size, but about the same. But the paper I had doesn't fit in here. Whole positioning is off. So, yeah. So I'm wondering where I'm gonna find either something really close to this, because I do like the off-white tone of it. Let's see. It has a little flap in the back. Oh, I put something there. Oh, a to-do list. And a pencil thing. It's really neat. And it was pretty affordable, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see, right now what I'm using as dividers are basically paper clips and some washi tape that I'm just folding over. So it's like little tabs. I kind of like this because one, I can put them anywhere. Two, they're not that like uncomfortable to move. Most tabs are pretty rigid and sometimes they're a little annoying. As in the example of my previous binder that I had. I'm excited that I'm actually enjoying the use of it. Since I'm responsible for different categories, then this kind of allows for some flexibility, and the size makes it really portable. So yeah, if you guys have any idea of where to find every filler viewer, potentially maybe in grid form. And back to the paper, I will continue to look for some paper. Ideally, what I would love to find is something along the lines of this, since I have found these notebooks to be an amazing blessing. They're by Think Ink or Design Works. I love this setup where you can freely circle any date and then create to-do lists, basically. Check everything off. I, for some reason, love to make my own boxes, but that's just me. And the fact that while they come with rings, everything is kind of kept together nice and tidy. If you should need a loose leaf, then it is perforated and you can remove them. So that's cool. So if I could find filler paper like this and be able to appropriately fit in this binder, that would be like the best. This is the first small binder that I'm actually enjoying using. Don't have much knowledge of like where to acquire great accessories for these. Now I have already pre-marked. Well, I made a couple of marks here already. But I want to cut these up. somewhere to try the little pouch on them. They're a little different in size, but they're nice. I did want those because actually I could use them in an actual book as a bookmark, or I can this is why we got this here. And we have ourselves a little marker. Look at that. It's pretty neat. So what's cool is I can then go into my binder, which I have now stuffed. Add it in there. Oh, see, now that's what I have to be mindful of, I guess. If I would have punched it just a little higher, then I could. If I would have punched it just a little harder, then it would, because right now it's a line. So see, right now it's lining up. These were bigger, so once I placed them, the holes were fine. Now the other one, I guess what I'll have to do is I'd have to change this. If I brought it closer, then the holes would be off and then I'll have a flap. So ideally it'd be like from there to there. Yeah, something like that. So, but I'll have to include that in the next video because I mean, I'm having fun with this, so it's gonna take me some time. Yeah, this is fun. This is like therapy, guys. If you're bored, like, make bookmarks. Look at this. This is nice. Now I think if you guys are really into planning, you might want to check out the whole vision journal video that I have right over there.